Hey, it's Angel with Angel's Edge again. I got a knife unboxing, the Tops Home knife. I purchased one before, and I liked the first one. Different model, but I liked it. If you like knife videos, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell. Alright, here's the one I got now. Here's the one I purchased before. It's a kind of a knockoff of an EF knife, but I couldn't find the EF ones anymore. So I was like, man, this looks familiar. But this one was very nice. This is a very, I want to say I paid under $20 for this one. But anyways, I like this one from the Tops Home. So I was like, well, I'm going to take a chance. The only thing I did notice about this one, this clip was a little bit off. Like, it wasn't straight. So I loosened it up and straightened it out. But that's that one. But here's the one I bought. Another Tops Home, another dagger style. I'm sure it is a copy of something. Oh, the box came in their normal, just black box with plastic. But heck, I've seen, it's a plain box, but it's nicer than a lot of other, like the Gerbers just come in even cheaper boxes. So here we go. That's the box. This is a assisted blade, and it comes out, flies out. So it's a dagger. I think it has nice lines to it. It came out of the box sharp. I might have stropped it, but it came with foam paper. It just slices it real nice. Has a nice, so that's pretty good right out of the box. Cut foam paper. It says dagger. Let's take a look at it close. So there's the Tops Homes on this one. This one actually, the other one didn't even say Tops Home. This is supposed to be like a wood inlay. Let's see the other side. Has like a, so your fingers don't slip right there. The inlay's a dark black. I don't think it's plastic. It looks like it has grain. I think it's wood. They said it's wood in the ad. Plain pocket clip. It's a very nice feel to it. The reason I got this knife out, I was like, check this. Look at the blade shape on this thing. More, I guess we'll try the blade shapes kind of look all the same. A little bit. The CRK blade shapes look about. So you can see here's let me get rid of this. It's kind of like a cross in between these two with the size. The blade's about the size of this one, but anyways, I just want to show you the blade shape. It's a dagger. Kind of very reminiscent of the CRKT M16 knives. The blade shape it is. The handle's different, but it's a nice big liner lock. Liner lock is really engages good. It's deep in there. It's easy to deactivate. You can do it one-handed. Comes out real nice. But the only thing that's interesting, if you look here, if you look really close, the pivot screw is slightly offset. I mean, it's meant to be like that. I really tried to see if this is a copy of another knife. I know it is. If you guys find it is a copy of another knife, I'd really like to know. I just couldn't find it. But it's like it has a nice design because it's like the flipper's real short, but enough has jimping. But when you flip it out, it looks symmetrical. The guards, they just look perfect, and it's really comfortable. That's why it's like almost more comfortable than this knife right here. But yeah, so. And it came sharp. Let's see. Let me pop over to the Amazon ad and take a look. See what descriptions it has on it. So, all right. So here is the knife itself. You can see it. It's supposed to be wood. Honestly, it kind of a plasticky look, but it says wood. I can see grain with it. Oh shit! See, I don't want to put these on it. I don't know how this camera's gonna show, but yeah, it has like a grain to it. But anyways, take a look close. Sharp blade, so it's almost 3.5 inch. It has the 440C, which a lot of the Ganzo knives use, so resharpens easily, and I have not sharpened it. It came pretty damn sharp out of the box. Spear point. Oh, what's the steel? Fast and safe. No, I want to say it's, man, what was the steel on this? Oh, 440C though. Yeah. So it's a decent steel for a budget. Oh, and the price is only $15. I mean, you can't argue with the price. Ball bearing has a ball bearing system, yeah, and assisted with the ball bearings is like, this is actually $15. It's a-okay to me. The lock secures in deep, nice, and it's not hard to portable outdoor. So that's what they say. And like I said, I like the other tops, yeah. I might get one of these sometime. I might take a chance to get one of these out the front ones. I don't know. That's a lot of money for. But anyways, let's go up here, back to let's take some looks at the pictures. Click it. I'm not missing anything. All right. So there's a 4.92 ounces, 8 inches long. And the ball bearings. Okay. Let's go back over here. Come back to my other picture and back. Alright. So, yeah. Oh, shit. There we go. So this, like I said, this is the second Tops home I bought. And here's the first one. This one isn't assisted, but this one was smooth too. So I had the bearing drop shut too. I mean, you this. Oh, shit. I mean, this isn't assisted. This one just for, yeah. So they're both dagger spear point style. But that's two of the Tops homes I got. And they kind of reminisce each other a little bit, you know, daggers. So this one's a little more fancy. Well, I don't know. This has the G10. This has aluminum scales. So, but this is the one you're watching. So. Yeah, you can't really find many videos on this stuff either on YouTube. So let's take a. I know when I'm watching YouTube videos, I want to see the knife itself. So I'm gonna give you a real close up. That's why I might skip through even some. If you guys are skipping through just to see me hold the knife up, that's fine too, because I do that same thing. But nice small pocket clip it is, not deep carry. Yeah, I'd say it's just very glossy wood if it is wood. Let's see, it feels like it's shaving sharp. See, I was sharpening knives, so I'm looking for some hair to. I know, I showed you shaving the I don't know, maybe not paper. It might not be hair shaving sharp, but it's definitely, like I said, goes right through the phone paper. Usually if you're cutting phone paper this smooth, it's pretty sharp. It'll cut through most of your stuff you want. There could be the blade geometry too. It's nice to see if it looks like a, well, I don't know if they consider this, I don't know. It's a spear point. Tops home. Okay. It might scratch up a little bit. I think on, like, there you see a little scratch. I'm pretty sure I did that probably after I opened it. So I mean, it is aluminum handles. I think they're aluminum handles. Let's go back and look. Now I gotta look again, see if they are aluminum. I think they're aluminum with the inlay of the wood, they say. Let's see, where does it say that? Ooh, too far down. Let's see. And you know, handles made with stainless steel and inlay ebony, which provides comfortable. So don't really say just is inlay with ebony. Don't say wood. Makes it feel comfortable, improves grip. Slim profile can complements the knife balance and feel. Okay, so it might not be wood, but I just seen ebony. So it's, they're actually not aluminum handles, so that's probably why it I mean, still, it's almost 5 ounces. That's probably why it's a little on the heavy side for a, I mean, it's really not a large knife. Let's see. Let's do a knife comparisons. Let me go back to the screen. I forgot to do the knife comparisons. Let's go and do a little bit. I've already showed you a couple, not really as a knife comparison. Like, no one's going to know what this one is, so we'll put this aside because not many people, at least I couldn't even find no one that even did a video on this one on the internet or YouTube. This is a more common knife is the M16 3KS, 03KS. So you can see the size is very, very compatible with that. It'd be, the blade's a little bit smaller. So, but this one I think is like $42. And then, of course, this one's $14. So, and they're both made in China. So, I mean, it's not like, it's like, well, you're going with China, but both of them made in China. So, how do you, I mean, paid extra money for, I guess, the label on that CRKT. I hate to say it, but they're very compatible. I mean, the handle's a little different, but the dagger style. And let's go with the, where's my Tenacious? There's the Tenacious. And this is a Spyderco Tenacious. A lot of people have this, so there's the Tenacious. So the Tenacious is a much larger knife. The blade shape, I mean, it's a different style knife too. This is a dagger style. Get rid of this so you can see it, but the length and the carry would be roughly the same length. So, well, here, let's count. Let's see. We go here. Put a tip of it. Put the tip there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little over 8. The Spyderco is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little 8.5. So they're both basically the same, I don't know, carry size. And let's do one more. This is not Ontario. This is the Ganzo model of the Rat 1, but it's exactly the same one, but it's not the Rat 1, it's the Ganzo. So you can see this is right in that size of knife. So there's that. So there's the Ganzo Firebird. I think it's, what is this one? This is the F727M. This is the medium, but this is the same as a Ganzo, or no, same as a Rat 1 from Ontario. So there's those two sizes. So the length is about the length is a large size knife, but it's so skinny. It carries like this. This is like, I mean, that's what I'm saying. I keep referring back to this one because it's a different shape of handle, but it's not a bulky knife by no means. Okay. Alright, well, I think I went over everything. I'll do one more. Show you the knife once more. Black and black. And I have not sharpened this, so I usually hurry up and sharpen knives because usually don't come from the box sharp enough to I'm content with. So I'm pretty happy with this one right off the bat for $14. Let me get rid of these ones, and here's the other Tops Home knife that I got. So those are the two I have from that company, and both of them are definitely worth it. Like I said, I think I paid $20 something, $20 for this one, and this was $14. Alright, I'll catch you guys all the next time around. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to Enzo's Edge. Bye.